I'm here with a Kahntrol muzzle brake from StopRecoil.com, or as you might say, StopRecoil.com. Kahntrol makes their muzzle brakes from 4140 steel with a black oxide finish. It may look simple, but every aspect of the Kahntrol muzzle brake
was designed on purpose using ultra-high-speed cameras and hours of research and development.
The dimensions of this muzzle brake are specifically designed to brake the gases efficiently.
Other companies design brakes for marketing. Kahntrol designed this brake for the unfair advantage in competition.
Hey muzzle brake, what are you doing later?